Hey there, hackers. Console log. I have not yet found a Morel, and this is day 2 of the hunt. But I seek the great elder tree for his wisdom. Mayhaps Mr. Tree might know where the morels lie. Onward to victory!
Oh, look at that. A dead tree. Come out, wherever you are. Bring out your dead trees.
Now this is the elder of trees which I seek. You are the elder of trees which I seek. Oh, great and wise Mr. Tree, can you help me find some morels? Thank you, Mr. B, for caring for the forest and its flowers. It is over, morels! I have the high ground! You were supposed to come to my hands, not leave them!
You know what? I think Obi-Wan was lying to us when he was talking about the high ground.
Alas, my stomach antagonizes me with aching hunger, and I am growing weak from lack of nutrition. Yet my tongue continues to tempt my taste buds with the faint memory of morels. I have not found any yet, but I will not lose hope. The season has just begun. Thank you for gazing, and happy hacking.
Don't tell anyone.